you know what to say about a clean workbench? Well, I don't really, because I've never really had one. But this video is just going to be a quick update to let you know, look, the project's still going on. I'm basically just repeating each of the components that I've already outlined in the videos previously. So there's not a lot to talk about. I've created some side supports for this key bed, and then I've created the beginnings of a harp. Got all my tines and tone bars on there, and yeah, it's coming together. It's starting to look a bit more like a piano. It's still got lots of work to do. I'm still convinced there's going to be quite a bit of work that needs to go on with this before we can, you know, let this let it sing. But yeah, it's still going on, and there's other projects going on in the background that's taking a little bit of time, but we'll get there. We'll get there. Look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, so in the background I've also been letting my pickup machine create some pickups for me. So we've got the pickups that we need, so we need to create the rest of the harp, attach the pickups, and then start playing around with it, seeing what works, seeing what doesn't, see what mistakes we've made, see what assumptions and shortcuts I took that won't work. There is one shortcut I think that might be an issue, and that's, I do suspect we need to taper the magnets, but yeah, we'll cover this in a future video. But yeah, in the background I've also started to work on my own piano, and I've created this nice little trolley for it, just to move it around, and it really is a lifesaver. And yeah, I've just been using my local vendor. I've got some parts from ElectricKeys, so I've got some like new hammer tips, dampers, damper arms and some hardware, and you know, going to get my piano hopefully sounding as good as I can. It does have a little bit of an issue of a bit of like a duck noise when the damper releases. But I think we'll be able to solve that. And I've also been working with the Bristol electric piano company to come up with a replacement control plate for my Suitcase. And it's been quite a good experience because I've been able to customise the design exactly how I want it. So my favourite feature is just turning off those forward speakers. Like, I'm never really going to use them. The piano's usually sat against the wall, so yeah, I'll be leaving those off. And yeah, the quality of this thing looks absolutely fantastic. And I think that's one thing that I really like about the community, is that, you know, these parts I've got here and these parts, they look incredible. So, you know, if you're in doubt, I would definitely recommend going to the right people for the parts if you've got like a vintage instrument like this.